Good morning or afternoon. I am Kelly Rose, and today we're going to be taking a look at Hurricane Idaila. Currently, right now, it is a tropical storm here, located here in this white, the X I just created. However, as we move on in near time, this hurricane is forecasted to track, or the forecasted hurricane is to track over to here. What we do know, this is your forecasted track, the cone of uncertainty at this time. And we will have extensive coverage on this if need be. So that is your cone of uncertainty. Now, this is more of the cone of uncertainty, but this is just bona fide, basically like a 5 day. Here's the potential ways it can go. It can go as projected, go out north of the Bermudas here, or it could go projected until I'd say probably here, and then veer off and there, or veer off and go here. Those are all potential areas for this to go. We're going to be taking a look at HRRR as well, so buckle up. I'm sorry, I'm not mentally prepared for this. Why? Oh, thank you. Well, we're going to take a look at composite reflectivity. And I am going to bring this over to the 23-hour run, I guess. No. The 20-hour run. Dang it, it's not in there. Alright, we're going to have to take a look here at the NAM. We're going to zoom in here on our target area, which is going to be South Continental region. We're going to want Southeast U.S. Okay. We can now see it entering view here. And this is a strong hurricane. You can tell that we have this motion in it. You can tell that there's motion like that in there. So here's the eye wall. We will have extensive coverage. And maybe at school, but that don't matter. And we lose it as before it makes landfall. It's projected to make landfall somewhere within here, I believe. And then we start the new thing. So let's take a look at some other weather models here and see what they think. We're going to take a look at HRW. Apparently, never mind. I'm trying to see which weather model thinks better. We are going to go to this one because apparently this is what it is. Whatever, we'll just stick with NAM. Alright, let's take a look here at your simulated infrared here. And satellite, which this is just basically how much rain is in here. You can see that we definitely have a hurricane. We're also going to show cloud cover just to for certainties here. And this looks like a hurricane, believe it or not. Apparently composite reflectivity is faster somehow. I'm also on the 18Z run, by the way. Alright, let's go to cloud cover here. And you guys can see that this does look like a hurricane cloud cover. Let's take a look at simulated infrared now. And we're going to give you specifics. This will hold a threat for... This will hold a threat definitely for tornadoes, so we're going to definitely be live here. We're going to take a look here at your reflectivity. And it does appear to be strong. We're going to go up at there, severe weather, and we're going to take a look at your significant tornado parameter inside of this. And as we talk about, your more northwest quadrant has more likely of a tornado as we can go here. Or most of this hurricane will have a significant tornado potential. I will say that, I guess, technically. The areas definitely to watch for are going to be here highlighted in my dark black. So, areas to watch for flooding are going to be this area here. You guys need to be on the watch for flooding as the storm comes through. All right, let's talk about what other impacts can we have in a hurricane. Well, if this thing stays on track, it'll make landfall somewhere within here and then veer off. There's a chance it'll still make landfall there and then continue and then veer off. Either way, it's going to get back into the ocean. And I'm going to take a look at Radar. I do not have Radar Omega right now. At all. I don't even have it on my phone. And here's the hurricane that may be the hurricane of the year. Again, this is... We're going to take a look at precipitatable water. This is just to show you what precipitation you are likely. And it is at 902 millibar, 902 thing here. So again, this is going to be something to watch for. This is going to be a brief outlook here. It is going to make landfall somewhere between 1 a.m. Wednesday and 1 p.m. Wednesday. Now this will fluctuate and change as we go through, so make sure you do have notifications on, as we are going to be covering this extensively. And this may come into a major hurricane. Either way, we're going to be live, so you can trust us. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. And the reason we're not detailed is because Radar Omega's down for